Well, hi, this is Ken with Village Green, and it is midsummer. It is really hot. It's been weeks since we've had rain, and we've had temperatures mostly above 100 degrees. Not long ago, we had 109. So it is really hot out there right now, and we're getting a lot of calls questioning about what's wrong with the lawn. We're hearing reports of uh, other services saying that people have fungal issues, and sometimes they're saying it's chinch bugs, and sometimes they're saying it's grubs, and even one report of armyworms. So far, we haven't seen any of that. The only two issues that we're really seeing right now, we are seeing underwatering a lot, a lot. And as a result of that, it's pretty well related. We're also seeing a lot of rabbit damage. And as I've talked about before occasionally, with rabbit damage, they tend to pick on the same spot over and over again, and their urine is really acidic, so it tends to burn holes in the yard. Um, the solution for that, what we found is that you may have rabbit damage if the lawn is watered properly. If we're underwatering in any way, shape, or form, it takes that damage and puts it on steroids, and they'll just burn up a yard. So really, the solution to that is kind of my constant drumbeat right now, and that's just to water correctly. The correct watering at this point is sometimes a little different than what I've been talking about normally. I still recommend the 60 minutes per week, and breaking that up into 2 days a week with 10-minute watering bursts. That's if you have spray heads. If you have rotary heads, you'll roughly double that. We are seeing some lawns though that are dry, and that doesn't seem to be quite enough. Every sprinkler system is a little bit different, so we're adding actually a forced start time on some of those properties just to help the lawn get caught back up. So, I do expect chinch bug damage. It is hot and dry, and that's the weather that they like. So far, as of today, we haven't seen that. And the lawns that we pay attention to the most on that are St. Augustine lawns. That looks a lot like the lawn is drying out just in a particular patch, usually right next to a sidewalk or concrete. Not always, but more often than not. So if you see a spot that seems to be growing as the days go on or week by week, you may have chinch bug damage, but so far we haven't seen that, and certainly no grub damage and no fungal issues. For the most part, it's too hot with that, except for occasionally we'll run into that with Bermuda, but that's very, very rare. So hopefully that helps with this update for midsummer and what you need to be looking for. This is Ken with Village Green. If you like these videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and send them on to your friends and family. Village Green, growing plants, growing people, and growing relationships.